Today I want to chat with you about 3 cleaning habits that you can start on a weekly basis to help you have a clean, tidy, organized house. All right, so number 1 is clean as you go. So for me, when I'm getting ready in the morning, putting my makeup on or doing my hair, if I notice that the bathroom sink is a bit dirty, I can get a sponge and clean it when I'm there as I go. Or if I'm doing the dishes and I notice that the bench needs a bit of a clean, get a sponge, wipe down the bench. So clean as you go. Number 2 is make a list. If you're going to do some cleaning, make a list of the things that you're going to clean on that day and tick them off as you go. Don't write a list of like 20 things because it'll be too overwhelming. Write a list of maybe 3 to 5 things that you know that you can get done on that day. Number 3 habit that you can build into your life is set a time and a day for you to do the cleaning. This is really helpful. For me, I set a day where I'm going to clean the house, and I just know on that day, that's house cleaning day, and I'm going to get all my things done. And I feel so good after I've done the cleaning because my house is clean and tidy and organized and sets me up for a really great week. I hope this has helped you today. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, or send it to a friend. I hope you have a great day.